Hello, my dear students. I am Sanjeev Tail, and in this particular video, we are going to talk about another postmodern dramatist, Christopher Fry. Christopher Fry is not so important from net point of view, but still, we shall discuss some works by Christopher Fry. He is a postmodern dramatist. He was born in the year 1907 and he died in the year 2005. And Christopher Fry, he is known as a great playwright. Few works by him. First, Boy with a Cart. Christopher Fry, he is known as a great playwright. First work, Boy with a Cart, that was published in 1938. And the second work by Christopher Fry, A Phoenix Too Frequent. A फिनिक्स एक इमोर्टल बर्ड होता है जो अपनी ही राख से अपनी ही आग में जलकर मर जाता है और अपनी ही राख से दोबारा जन्म ले लेता है. एक मिथिकल बर्ड है. ए फिनिक्स टू फ्रीक्वेंट. दैट प्ले वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1946. देन द लेडीज नॉट फॉर बर्निंग. द नेक्स्ट वर्क बाय क्रिस्टोफर फ्राई, द लेडीज नॉट फॉर बर्निंग. that was published in 1948. This is the work which is settled in Middle Ages. इस वर्क द लेडीज नॉट फॉर बर्निंग के बारे में जो मेन बात है, दिस इज द वर्क विच इज सेटल्ड इन मिडल एजेस. इट इज ए ब्यूटिफुल स्टोरी which talks about Spear of World War II. It is a beautiful story which talks about Spear of World War II. On one side, we have a war. There are weary soldiers. Weary matlab W-E-A-R-Y. Weary matlab thake hue. On one side, we have a war. Weary soldiers who want to die. And on the other side, we have a witch. W-I-T-C-H. On the other side, we have a witch who wants to live. एक तरफ एक वीरी सोल्जर को दिखाया है who wants to die, और दूसरी तरफ एक विच W-I-T-C-H विच को दिखाया है जो कि जीना चाहती है. सो देर इज विच who wants to live and she is accused, whereas there is war weary soldier who wants to die. We are talking about this play, The Lady is Not for Burning, by Christopher Fry. The next work, Venus Observed, that was published in 1950. Now, in July 2016, there was a question from Christopher Fry. The question was, identify the works which are written by Christopher Fry. And the two works which were written by Christopher Fry out of the options given, first, The Lady is Not for Burning, and the second, Venus Observed. So, there a question has been already set from Christopher Fry. Then, the next work by Christopher Fry, A Sleep of Prisoners. A Sleep of Prisoners, that was published in 1951. This is a verse play. Verse play matlab, verse matlab in the poetic form. This is a verse play. It concerns 4 English prisoners of war locked up in a church overnight. It is a verse play and it concerns 4 English prisoners of war locked up in a church overnight, and the Old Testament style dreams they have springing from an argument between them. तो ये जो वर्क है स्लीप ऑफ प्रिजनर्स, ये एक वर्स प्ले है और 4 इंग्लिश प्रिजनर्स को लेकर है जो कि रात को एक चर्च में लॉकअप हो जाते हैं. एंड दे ड्रीम इन द ओल्ड टेस्टामेंट स्टाइल. ओके, so this is the work, A Sleep of Prisoners, that was published in 1951. And the next work, The Dream is Light Enough. by Christopher Fry. The Dream is Light Enough, that was published in 1954. It is a verse play which is set during Hungarian Revolution of 1848. तो important point हो जाता है, The Dark is Light Enough. It is a verse play which is set during Hungarian Revolution of 1848. And the subtitle of this work is A Winter Comedy. The subtitle is A Winter Comedy. Okay? So, this work is subtitled as A Winter Comedy to signal its tragic qualities. The Dark is Light Enough. इसका जो subtitle है वो है A Winter Comedy. The next work by Christopher Fry, that is Venus Observed. Venus Observed is a play in blank verse. You know, my dear students, what is blank verse? Blank verse means a play without rhythm, a play without rhyme. Okay? And the meter which has been used here, that is iambic pentameter. Venus Observed, it is a play in blank verse. The play concerns a duke. This play concerns a duke who decides to remarry for a third time. ये प्ले जो है एक ऐसे ड्यूक से संबंधित है जो कि डिसाइड करता है कि वो तीसरी बार दोबारा शादी करेगा. एंड फॉर दैट पर्पस he gets his son Edgar, Edgar, he gets his son Edgar to pick the bride. But the Duke likes Perpetua. ड्यूक को जो लड़की पसंद आती है शादी के लिए उसका नाम क्या है? Perpetua, Perpetua, Perpetua. The Duke likes Perpetua, but Edgar wants her for herself. ड्यूक ने अपने बेटे एडगर को जिम्मेवारी दी उसके लिए दुल्हन चुनने की, और ड्यूक को एक लड़की पसंद आई जिसका नाम क्या है? परपीटुआ, Perpetua. लेकिन उसका बेटा एडगर खुद उससे शादी करना चाहता है परपीटुआ से. सो दिस इज द प्ले वीनस ऑब्जर्व्ड by Christopher Fry. So my dear students, the works by Christopher Fry: first, Boy with a Cart, that was published in 1938, A Phoenix Too Frequent, 1946, The Ladies Not for Burning, 1948, and then A Sleep of Prisoners, 1951, The Dark is Light Enough, 1954, and The Venus Observed, that was published in 1950. So these are the works by Christopher Fry. So that is all about this video. In the next video, we shall talk about very important dramatist, postmodern dramatist, Harold Pinter. But till then, keep yourself busy, keep learning so that you may get success. Thank you. Thanks a lot.